Tonight for dinner, I'm having green mash with sauteed mushrooms and thought I'd show you how to cook it. This is Felicity and I'm Sarah, and we're going to cook vegan style. This serves one hungry Sarah. You will need 3 potatoes, a splash of non-dairy milk of your choice, 1/4 of a small avocado, and you want to season it with some salt and pepper. Peeling a potato. I'm going to put the potato in there. The potatoes have come to the boil. Turn them down a little bit, put the timer on for 10 minutes. Okay, we've got our potatoes here and I've strained the water out. It's a good start. And I'm also going to add in my avocado, 1/4. Tiny bit of salt in, a little bit of pepper, tiny bit there. I'm just going to put a splash. Mash, mash, we're mashing. Mashing, mashing. Four sliced mushrooms, 1/2 cup of water, teaspoon of vegan stock, salt and pepper to taste, 1 clove of garlic sliced up, 1 to 2 teaspoons of tapioca starch or potato starch. I'm using potato starch, and 1/4 of an onion sliced. For the topping, for the garnish, we have just a little bit, that's actually a lot, of parsley fresh from the garden, sliced green onions, the top of it, just a little bit. Yeah. You're going to pop in your mushrooms, your onions, your garlic, dump it in. Apparently that's what I'm doing. I don't think this is going to be neat. So I always think after that was a bad idea. This is what I'm going to be one of those things where I go, oh, that's a bad idea, Sarah. Stuff to put on top. Alright, so we're going to pop some parsley. Yum. Comfort food on a cold rainy night like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun vegan style cooking recipes. The recipes are vegan, yes they are, Felicity. Oh, we are purring. That's good. She's purring.